Welcome back to How to Make It with Lily. Today we're making it trendy with instant Instagram Halloween nails. To get your nails ready, you're going to need a pack of imPress nails. This is my little secret when I'm on the go, have no time for the nail salon, yet I have somewhere to be or a party to get to. With Halloween just around the corner, these make the perfect addition for your overall look, especially with the Halloween designs. You can pick these up at your local drugstore, Walmart, or Ulta. Ulta recently came out with the OPI contracted colors. They have a great selection to choose from. This video is not sponsored, but strictly reflect my own opinions. So if you want to give it a try, go for it. I like these because you don't have to super glue it to your nail bed and possibly damage your nail bed. They come off pretty easily. Just make sure you follow through the directions and read it through and go through the process. First off, we want to wash our hands and then take the swab that is supplied in the packaging and wipe down your nails to remove all kinds of oils and residue. Next, you want to open up the packaging and lay out all the nails according to size. You're going to have different sizes in there. You want to try them out and see which one is the best fit. Each package comes with 30 nails. In addition to the different sizes that you have to choose from, you also have different designs and different colors. Once you have them all laid out, you want to start by sizing them up per finger. When choosing the best fit, choose the ones that fit the nail the most. Make sure it is not covering the cuticle or the nail bed. Separate the nails that fit the best and lay them out according to finger. Next, we're going to file the tip of the nails. You will notice a little nodule of plastic sticking out on most of them, not all of them, but most of them. And this is where the plastic was cut. We want to just reduce the sharpness. The file also comes with the packaging. Now it's time to get these on. You want to make sure you start off with the hand that you do not use the most, and you're starting from the pinky of the hand that you do not use the most. The nails come with an adhesive glue on the back, so all you have to do is peel and stick. If you notice, when you first put it on, it is not completely straight. There is some wiggle room with this, which is great. You can just simply carefully take it off and reline it and press it back on. I find it best to do it right before bed when I have washed for the night and done my night routine. And the reason is because the less you expose your nails to water, the more adherent it will become to your nails and it will last longer. I do recommend, if you're going anywhere, for you to put the pack in your purse and take it with you just in case if any of them do fall out. This way you can just easily replace them. And in a matter of minutes, you have your instant Instagram ready Halloween nails. These came out so gorgeous. I love using this product for that reason, because it is instant, easy to use, and lasts a few days at a time. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a family or a friend. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. All these actions help to support the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon.